let's get to wrapping, peoples.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
And so guys, we are gonna start wrapping. My sons are live on Instagram. Yeah.
Camera sees me.
Yeah.
Anybody want Doritos?
Alright guys, so this is the first gift. It's a, what do you call it? A shoes perfume. I'm gonna turn on my baby in 1 minute. So this is a shoes perfume, and yeah, don't mind the mess guys. We're actually going to wrap. Most of these things you're seeing is wrapping, and for me to actually, what you call it, for me to actually make up my bed and stuff. It's dark, yo.
Can't keep me out of our room, people.
My gift finished wrap. It's so cute. So I have this top one, and I have that box down there. So yes, it's the bag, by the way. Cute. All right, so I have these wrap. Alright guys, so I am finally finished with another set. I don't know, I wrapped these though. These are the ones I wrapped, like these and these and these. Those I wrapped.
I tell her, say, yo, we don't finish by this year. Really, that's what I mean. We have been saying about the money and shit. So that's why. Oh, I shall be telling you. I shall be telling you.
Why that lady are not tired of beads? Everything we call her. She a cheer Miss Price. And the only listen to me. When we were doing cheery, I thought about calling her to join it, but then we didn't have a lot of persons. So we said, let me just cheer three. But then me never say me a cheerer, so me never give her willy puggy. But anyway, I know she loves things, and so I got her some things and I ordered one. So one is coming and some is in here. So when the others reach here, you will get so much.
When the bang phone. Give my which will go on to Mr. Corey.
Not in the area, but he hopes that you will enjoy our gift and he is sharing my daughter, Taylor. I knew all along.
Kaje, but you see it after what day you just disturb the video, brother. say about me now, me in that video.
I just like
Me in that video now.
fancy.
No? Yo, me I go anywhere now. Come in the night.
What else is being presented? I have to cheer it up for the
Yes. So this girl,
Anash.
my heart beats. Sorry, Taylor, she's my heartbeat too.
Oh my God.
Listen. When she up here, me and Kay can just call her. Listen, remember one night, Corrigan, and me have graduation the next morning. And me say, Nash, come here and go tomorrow. And just sit down me and use flashlight to it. And I don't know. But I had to cheer her. You see her in our group, I said, Lord, everybody had fun without me, but I had to make her know that, you know, she's not left out, don't worry. But she never knew who get her name. Me collecting name long time. And Kay said, Chuck, you buy too much cheers, so let me join. So this is from your cheering, your mother and your auntie. And we hope that you enjoy it.
Alright guys, so we are gonna be unboxing my cheers gifts on camera. I'm gonna start with the smallest one first. Smell like a something rock. Okay. Okay, I'll repeat it.
Remember, so me can't wrap something in, so you have to stay with me.
Me a teacher, man.
That's nice.
Yeah, me a teacher. Me a learning girl.
I think you need a scissors or something.
Hey, that box up is back. Oh, it's not the box that I was about to buy. Come on, see. Guys, it's cute, sir. Santana. You like me a bit tonight from the store. Can't take it with everybody. Oh. Woo! I wonder if I'm afraid to reach. It's me a lot jumpy. People, look at that. It's so good. Sharik, look at it. Sharik, look at it. Jesus! Why? Hey, just love this. I love it. I love it. I like this.
I'm saying by you saying get up like you can store jewelry in it or something.
When I go up, I can probably store jewelry in it.
Yeah.
And then this one.
That one in a wrap good.
That's still a learn, man. That's storage here. You unravel me with the melodies. I don't know if it broke.
I don't know. No, it's not.
You come around. Woo! I think I know it. Oh no! No matter. Come on. Woo! I didn't have a piece of perfume. Oh my god. And it's perfect!
He knows you well.
It is perfect! Thank you, Chad! Woo! I'm not one of them people that want to use the gift, you know. So,
Yeah, you wanted to know what's in the little stuff. Me tell me say probably wipes. So.
it ain't perfume. I want perfume. I think I want travel perfume. I think that one I did for mommy one time. I don't say how long she don't use it.
She have around this about me.
So we got shower gel. People, anyone know me? Well, only Shani they would have known. I love shower gel.
She know
You
you
can't
soap,
tap
she
it with
shower
soap. Shower gel is
is
the way to
for
go.
body.
So that's going in my bathroom. Perfume.
Can't make me want to go my gift.
It's all kind of stay a little long, you know, because Shanika love perfume.
Yeah, but Shanika will use it, so nobody expect it to stay long.
Shanika love perfume, but this time that's all killer. But me still use it. Oh God, it smells good. I like it. afraid of breakables doing, but I like it. We have a lotion. Yeah. I've used all of them before, you know. Can I make Shanique use them before me? Now she wants some? No.
I don't want.
I'm skin jack. Yo.
That's what I was asking. I think I was asking if it was wipes or something.
My spray. Vaporite. We can't read them something, but I want spray.
How you use it? Oh. Ooh.
You can't spell it.
Ooh. That boasty.
It's a travel perfume. So you put this in your bag.
On the go.
Oh, that in there, no one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, spray out. So you know, make you put on the dresser, okay?
Yeah.
You can't
Yeah.
put it in your bag. So yes, people, I'm gonna take my time, alright, and hold it up. Yeah. Alright, guys.
Baby, I know your chair get a box up, but like why you not use it, baby, family?
Yes? Cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.